Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to click on Security section over here and tap on App Lock. Then create your pattern that you will use to unlock your apps and repeat it in order to confirm it. Now you can link your account or choose Skip at the top right corner. Finally, click on the padlock next to an app that you wish to lock, in my case Calendar. So now when I go back and try to access Calendar app, I can see that pattern is now required. If you wish to disable App Lock from your app, go into the same settings. Enter your login method and click on the padlock again. If you wish to disable App Lock completely though, click on this gear icon at the top right corner and choose this switcher next to Enable App Lock feature. Lastly, choose Turn Off in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!